What's up everybody, this is Mari from Mari's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the iPad 6. Stay tuned. Okay, so today we got the iPad 6th generation. We're just going to go ahead and unbox this and show you how beautiful this iPad looks. And as you can see, here's the iPad. I'm just going to go ahead and put this to the side so I can get into the box content. And right here you have the charging port cable. And then right here you have the instruction booklet. And then in here is your plug for your charging cable. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and put this aside and we're going to go ahead and get into the iPad. This is the 6th generation, the newest model. This is the 9.7-inch screen. Back here you can see your standard Apple logo. At the bottom you have your speakers. You have your charging port. Right here at the side you can see how skinny and thin it is. On the side you've got your volume up and down rockers. Here at the top, you got your standard microphone. There's your headphone jack. So let's go ahead and start this up, and I'll walk you through how to set up your iPad for the very first time. You'll get this notification saying hello, hola, so on and so forth. So just going to go ahead and start this up. Your countries are way down here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on USA. And it says here's a quick start. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Just going to go ahead and click my network. And it's going to go ahead and set up. Now it's saying your data and privacy. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Touch ID, I'm going to do that later, so I'm just going to go ahead and set it up later. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to issue a 4-number password, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip this. Right here is your apps and data. I'm going to set it up as a new iPad. And it will ask you for your iOS login information. I'm just going to go ahead and add mine. But here at the bottom of the blue line, you can make one up. So just go ahead and agree. That's the terms and conditions. So we're just going to wait for that to load. Express settings. We're just going to go click continue. Your iPad up to date. Continue. I'm going to go ahead and skip this because I don't need to connect the iPad Pay or Apple Pay. So we're just going to go ahead and set up Siri. So I'm going to click continue, and it's going to say hey Siri to the iPad, so it can prompt and remind your voice. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this one set up. Okay, now I'll just click continue. The screen time, I'm just going to go ahead and click continue. Alright, then you'll get the app analytics. And I'm going to go don't share. Quick access to the dock. I'm going to click continue. Switch between recent apps. Go ahead and click continue. Quick access controls. Again, continue. Now it's going to say welcome to your iPad. Click start. And as you can see, these are your defaulted apps that are on the iPad. As you can see, here is your notifications right here. This is where you'll get all your notifications on this side. So I'm just going to go ahead and get out of that one. Very beautiful, very nice. This is the Retina model. So this is the Wi-Fi 4G. So it does come with your 4G. Go ahead and click into music. It's going to ask it for 3 months for 99 cents. I'm going to bypass that because I don't need it. I'm just going to play it to show you that it does sound very nice on the iPad. The speakers are very nice. So let me go ahead and play a clip of that. As you can see, that was very loud. I'm not much of a bass on that song, but like YouTube videos, it actually has a lot of bass. And right here on the side, as I said before, there's your volume up and down rockers. Up at the top, you've got your microphone. And then you've got your power button at the right here. There's your microphone, and there's your headphone jack. And because this is the 4G model, this one is right here on the side where you put your SD card. So this has been the review of the iPad 6th generation. I did buy a case for this, and I will link all the details in the description. As you can see, this is a full-on case. It does come with a screen protector included. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on, and I will show you what it looks like when I come back. Alright, and here is the full case that is on the iPad. It has very great feel to it. Again, right here is your volume up and down rockers, your power button at the top. There's a room for your microphone, and also a covered port for your headphone jack. It's very thin and lightweight. There's cutouts for your speaker at the bottom, also for your charging port right here. So when you're not charging it, you go ahead and close it up. It does have a kickstand, so if you're watching a movie or whatever, you just go ahead and put it on its kickstand. It's very lightweight. I will link all the details in the description. That will also include the iPad 6th generation itself. This has been the review for the iPad 6th generation.